So hello guys, welcome to the new video. In last video we saw how to print anything with print method and how to run a program in Kotlin. So in this video we are gonna see how to declare variables and what kind of variables we can declare in Kotlin. So let's create a variable. To create a variable we have to use keyword called var, where which stands for variable. I'm gonna name it variable 1, right? And to know what type of variable this is, we have to declare the type. Basically means if it is a number, if it's gonna be string, if it's gonna be an array. So we have to assign a type to a variable. So to do that, we write a colon and then we assign the type, let's say integer. So we write int, and we have to assign a value to this variable. So let's say it's int, so we are gonna assign a number. I'm gonna assign it 10. So this is how you declare a variable and you initialize a variable in Kotlin. Now let's say I want to print this variable, so let's write print, and to print it we just have to write the name of the variable here, like this, variable 1, sorry. So now let's run the program and see if we can see our variable's value, which is 10, in our console. So let it complete. Let me remove this. Okay, as we can see here, we have the output 10 on our console. Now let's say we want to write a whole string including this variable in Kotlin. So how would we do that? We cannot just go and write this in double quotation. This way we will not have the value 10 printed in the console. Instead we will have the string variable 1 printed in the console. So this is not the way you print the value of a variable inside a string. Instead, let's say value of the variable is variable 1, right? But still, to make it a variable, we have to write a symbol of a dollar symbol to make it a variable. So this is how we can add a variable of any kind inside a string. So now if we run this program and we see the output, instead of printing variable 1, we'll have the value of variable 1. Here it is, value of variable 1 is 10. Now let's say I want to change this value later in a program. So I want to change this value to 20, let's say. So I'm just gonna write variable 1 equals to 20. But now to print this, you're gonna have to write print statement again, and I'm not gonna write the whole thing. I'm just gonna write variable 1 again. Now if we run it, it will first print 10 as its value, and then it will print 20 as its value. So basically we are reassigning the value to a variable. So I'm sorry, where is it? Print variable 1. It's finished, but it's not showing any output. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. Here it is. Value of variable is 10, and then it prints 20. So yeah, and what else we can see? Yes, if you want a variable that does not change its value, throughout the program. It means if you want to declare a variable that remains constant, we have to use another keyword instead of var. We have to write val. Right away you can see the red line under this. It says val cannot be reassigned. That means val will always have the same value throughout the whole program. Now if we run it, the val both time the val will have the value, variable 1 will have the value of 10 only, as you can see, right? And here's the other later 10 is for this print. So this is how you declare a constant. So this is how you declare a variable in Kotlin, and in later part of this playlist we'll cover more things in Kotlin. Until that, take care of yourselves, stay safe, and have a good day. Bye bye.